Today we are going to do the chapter A House is Not a Home by Jan Godioso. And as far as the introduction of the chapter is concerned, in this chapter the writer Jan Godioso has shown that being a teenager can be challenging at times because growing up has its own set of problems. These problems need to be tackled with patience and with faith. So the teenagers, they require two things to inculcate these two things very gradually in their life, and that is patience and faith. So they have to see this wonderful world around them and thank God for the little blessings which make the difficult task of growing up a wonderful journey. So let us see what sort of problems teenagers face. As far as the summary of the chapter is concerned, the story revolves around Zan. Zan is a boy who is a teenager. He was sad as he had got into a new high school. He didn't have his old friends and he was a junior here. Naturally, when you are changing a school, you will have to miss your friends also. He missed the old school and would visit it often. The old school he liked, and loved. Therefore, he visits the old school every now and then. He was there they were seniors, but here in this new school they were considered as juniors. To add to his miseries, one sunday afternoon his house caught fire, and other than a few papers and photos of his father that were retrieved by his mother, they lost everything, and they didn't even have a pair of shoes. His cat was also missed. So Zan, who was a teenager, who had just moved to a new high school, he did not like this change because he was in the junior most class ever, and which was in contrast to his position as a head at senior upper grade level in the earlier school. In previous school, he was. They were considered as senior ones, but here in new school they were considered as junior ones. So he didn't like this idea. He felt like stranger to begin afresh in this manner and he wanted because of his old school, because he had love for his old school, he used to visit that school often. And to increase his problems, one day what happened, one Sunday afternoon his house caught on fire and he was really very sad. Moreover, he loved his cat very much. His pet cat was also missed. So Jen got depressed and didn't want to attend the school. He said that he could not soak up with all such type of problems. So he was feeling a little bit, problematic. Then Jen got depressed and didn't want to attend the school. He realized that he could not soak up in his sadness, and they had to rebuild their life because of the house on fire, because he had lost all the things, his books, his bag, his clothes and everything, his cat even. So everything they have to rebuild. Only they had few photographs of his father and few documents, otherwise they had lost everything. They didn't have any cash, credit card, identity proof, and they had to borrow money from his grandparents. So he naturally, this thing, if such type of things happen in anyone's life, so anyone can be depressed, and same was here with this boy. One day at school, Jan was astonished to see a table full of things. Now when he was suffering from all such type of problems, he saw one day something strange, something new, that there was a table which was full of different things. On that table there were books, stationery items, clothes, which had been collected by his classmates. Now his classmates, they contributed and they collected all the things which are required to this boys, like books, stationery items, clothes. So they were helping Jan, and Jan was overwhelmed and made friends. Now today he made new friends. He came out of the depression and realized that the life was beautiful, and he saw his house also was being rebuilt, and he felt that there is there are some good things also in this world. So we shall continue tomorrow with the rest part of the story, that what sort of problems the teenagers they face and how we should overcome these problems. Thank you and have a nice day.